Hello everyone. So, as you now know, because you've watched Mrs. Mitchell and Miss Furmore's video, they want us to think about some poetry and some art this week, and the theme is what's from your window. Okay, so in year 2 we wanted to do a slightly different spin on that as our challenge this week. And what we're going to do, I'm so excited. I know a lot of you will have done your rainbow perhaps, and you might have put that in your window for everybody walking past, and you're showing your support for the NHS. But what we thought would be fantastic is if we made a picture with lots of different materials from around our house, okay, and we made a really colourful picture that linked to the NHS in some way. That's going to be your idea. You can come up with what might link to the NHS. And then we're going to do a poem linking to our picture all about the NHS and something to do with our strange time at home. So, for example, you might want to do an acrostic poem once you've learnt about what this all is. Okay, you might want to choose a special word that you think links to the NHS or links to this odd time that we are having. And then your picture that you're going to create is going to link to your poem. So they're going to be one piece of work all together. You're going to create it with different materials, so not just drawing or painting. It's going to be lots of different things you can find around your house or your garden or balcony or whatever it is you have available to you where you are. And we're going to have a fantastic picture and poem to be able to stick up in our window so that people can see outside of your window and look in and see this beautiful thing that you have created and read your lovely poem, which will then make people feel really, really happy as they walk past their house on their daily exercise of the day. And you'll also be showing your support to the NHS and all the doctors and nurses who are working so hard to make sure that everybody in our country is being looked after and everyone can stay as healthy and as happy as they can. So that's our challenge. So I want you now to follow the timetable, follow the lesson, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to watch a video all about acrostic poems. And while you're watching it, I want you to be writing down in your learning journal all the things that you learn about an acrostic poem and all the things that you notice about an acrostic poem, and what you think makes an acrostic poem an acrostic poem. So what different features do they have that makes a poem specifically an acrostic poem? So write all that down as you are watching the video, which is posted on the timetable. And you can watch my second video in a minute.